Alright, hello. It's Mr. Clark again. I thought I'd help you out with a couple of problems. I've had some students asking where are these numbers coming from. So here we go. Let me just take number 22 from our worksheet packet and explain where these numbers are coming from. So g of x is a function. See how you have the x, that's our domain, and our g of x, that's our range. We're going to find that out by finding g of 4. Now ideally, you would do g of negative 4 and plug it in and evaluate. But it's a pretty simple idea to just stick a negative 4 in here and evaluate. So when we stick a negative 4, we take half of it. So half of negative 4 is negative 2 is correct. Negative 2 and then minus 1 more makes negative 3. Now if you want to make a big old H chart out of this, you sure can, and show all the work and everything where you go half of negative 4 is negative 2 and then minus 1 more. And then you get your answer of negative 3. You can do that, okay? But that's really long and drawn out, and I don't want to do any of that, so I'm not even going to expect that you in Algebra 1 could do that, okay? So I'm just going to continue right down the chart here. Plug in negative 2. Half of negative 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 minus 1 more is negative 2. Now, one thing you guys might notice about my domain here, do you notice it's negative 4, negative 2, 0? A lot of even numbers on here. Do you know why that is? It's because it's half. You want to be able to take half. Now, what happens if I had a 1/3? What if this was g of x equals 1/3 x? I'd probably have 3, 6, and 9. What if it was 1/5 on here? I would have had probably 5, 10, 15, stuff like that. Okay? So basically the numbers that are chosen for you to help you out. Over here, you get to pick the numbers that you want to pick. So since there's no fractions, I'm going to pick just easy ones. Negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, stuff like that. Okay, so I end up with, plug negative 1 in there. Negative 1 times negative 2 is 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, and so on and so forth. Well, let me finish this one since that's where I started. Okay, 0. The reason why I always pick 0 is because it's the easiest number. So I plug 0 in there. I take half of 0 is 0, minus 1, negative 1. Do you see why it's easiest? When you plug it in, it makes that first thing just cancel. Half, or anything times 0 is still 0. Plug in 1. Oh man, decimals. We can still do it. Half of 1 is 0.5. Okay. 0.5 take away 1 whole would be a negative 0.5. Okay. Plug in 2. Half of 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So here we go. We've got a bunch of ordered pairs. I'm about to graph these guys. You ready? Negative 4, negative 3. Hold on, let me get a different color out here. Wee, yellow. Sweet. So, I'm doing negative 4, negative 3 first. That's not what I want. I want a highlighter. I don't know where highlighter is. Screw it. Okay. I don't want that either. Go away. Negative 4, negative 3. Here it is. Negative 4, negative 3. I don't want yellow. Ugh. Bam. Negative 2, negative 2. Bam. You guys go ahead and graph the other ones, and I'll do them quietly. Okay, go ahead and pause this video right now until you get it done, or until you get that line. Now, if you don't have those all lined up, I want you to pause it and compare yours to mine and see if you get the exact same dots. Okay? So then I just get out my straight edge, which is kind of tough to draw a straight edge on this thing, but I'm going to try to draw the straightest line that I can. And you know what? I'm going to put some arrows on this beast too, since all lines should have arrows. And here we go. That's as straight as I can get. So there you go. There's your line with arrows, all done by finding a T-chart, or completing a T-chart. Not too hard.